Morning guys, we are back and the day has arrived. It is drag racing day, so it's the first event of the season for us up at Smeatharpe over in Honiton in Devon. It's sort of a run what you brung day, so it's not like a race event as such, but we kind of use it at the start of the season to check everything out before we head up to Smeatharpe and race up there and do the quartermasters race events. So we're all ready. Gearbox is sorted. I didn't video it. Moved the shifter back and we shortened it to try and take some weight out of the shifter to see if that helped with me braking it, less leverage. Our friends have come down, Hannah and John have come down with their pretty cool Mini, so we'll be featuring this today. It's a Honda powered rear wheel drive boosted Mini. Go give them a follow, right in the Mini. Pretty even on time, so it's a bit of a battle between us today to see who takes the crown. I think he's got it, if I'm honest. I don't tend to get any grip up at Smeatharpe, but I'm not making excuses. We'll see what happens. Yeah, so come along. We're loaded up, fueled up, John's behind me, ready to go. So we are here, sunny Devon. This is where the drag strip starts. Start line, 1/4 mile up to there. The turn road back down. As you can see by all the smoke, they've got a drift event going on at the same time. All the bikes park along here, so this is shared between bikes and cars, the drag racing event. A little bit of retail stuff over there. Yeah, it's a pretty cool little local event. So we're going to get the car into race prep basically. Header caps off, air filters off, seat belts clipped in, ready to go. Yesterday we realised we've gone to dual carb setup, so we have to run a dual air filter. I had one mesh air filter that I would run when I drag race to get maximum airflow. Unfortunately, I only have one. So cue Traeger Meals visit and 2 sieves. Yeah boy. Job done. £7.90. Nice. We're in, set up. How you feeling, John? Ready?
Loving it.
It's interesting. It's not something on, but it's definitely worth a go. There's a couple of quick cars here. This BMW's run 9s before. That's quick. I've seen it run before. And this is a bit of a sleeper. It's got a V8 in it. Really cool little car. Well, big car, but really cool. Guy's got a YouTube channel. Got to rep people. Let's get ready. I think we're out in a minute after some of these bikes. She treed him! She treed him! Running the 11s. We'll see. I've just run the fastest time I've ever run here, which is good. This BMW, unbelievable. The guy's going for 9s in a street car. 9s! Let's run a 10 deck. Amazing car. There's a couple of cool cars here. Not as busy as it normally is. I think there's another drag racing event going on as well down at Spitfire, but good so far.
Yeah, ran really well that time. Yeah, I think that might have been the new fast. It's felt fast. Yeah, I had to brake a lot harder the other end as well. Yeah, is he alright?
Oh my god.
I don't want to make him laugh or make fun of the situation because I love him to pieces. But when you shift so hard, your shoulder comes out.
Oh no.
I think it's bad. John has genuinely hurt himself. We think he's either snapped something in his shoulder or it's dislocated. So he's off to Exeter A&E to get checked out to work out what we're going to do about his car. Massive shame he's come down to run with us today. This was meant to be fun, so anyone breaking a car, breaking themselves is never good. But we're going to continue. We're here for that reason. He's gone off. There's nothing more we can do. Yeah, and I'll give you an update on that later on. So we're back out on track in a minute. Yeah.
No, I haven't passed out.
How are you feeling?
Marvellous. Just gutted.
Yeah, I bet you are. Well, we'll get you sorted.
Yeah, well.
It doesn't matter. He's won for the day anyway. He's run a faster time than I'm going to. So give him a follow, show him some love, and he'll have to start going to the gym so he can shift gears.
Camper's just like cruising.
Hey Tim.
How you doing?
Enjoying it?
It's good.
Didn't think you were going to race?
Well, I wasn't going to race, and then I opened the curtains this morning, the sun was out, and I said,
Too nice.
I'm going to race.
Nova Power. What did you run time-wise this morning?
Like 15.
That's fine.
It's alright, isn't it?
That's fine.
It's alright. Yeah, I'm happy with that.
That's what I used to
I'm stuck in drive, so I can't use the
There you go then.
get it in the low gear. You don't want to see my reaction times.
Yeah, you probably lose half a second there if you got them down.
At least. No, it's good fun, man. How are you running?
Yeah, alright. Yeah, I've run the best time I've ever run here, so I ran the 32.
Really?
32
Nice.
102 mile an hour, so yeah.
There you go.
So that's definitely
Did it hook
in
on
the
that
11s at pods. Yeah, hooked like mad. Yeah, I let some more PSI out, so hopefully it'll be alright.
Nice.
We're getting there.
We're getting there.
And we've still got a working gearbox.
Right.
Hey.
Don't say it now.
Yeah, so I've got.
Well, where's some wood? Quick, wood. I have to show you these scooters. These are scooters. So 50cc to 125. Watch it. Running similar times to what I run in my hot rod. Madness, absolutely madness. I'm here with a fellow YouTuber.
What's on? Leon here from Spanos Antics. How we doing?
We are going to have a YouTube grudge match. It's happening. So this is his Volvo, real cool.
It's hard to go racing.
We are about to suit up, helmet up and go out. So we'll see what we can do. We both run similar times.
We're both about, well, you're running a little bit faster, like 13.2s, 13.7s. I have changed my back wheels.
Yeah, so he's pulled all stops out. He's just gone for some grippier rear compound. So we'll see what he gets. So we're about to line up.
How do we feel about this?
We might have it in the bag, I don't know.
We got it in the bag.
We got it in the bag. I hope Leon does well. We'll see. It's a hell of a car, that Volvo. It's a hell of a car. So, yeah, let's see what we can do.
Shifting, I was like, oh, you're like that.
I gotta be honest. That's the closest racing I've had in a long time. That's amazing.
Awesome.
Now,
close.
4 for 4, so you need to get the supercharger on.
Yeah, I think right.
Let's have a little review of the time.
13.5. It's still the quickest the car's ever been. 13.6 is the quickest it's ever been. So.
I had to pedal it off the line, and you got like a jump on.
Yeah, I did.
No! He's gonna do me on the final run! But we've done it, we got the clean sweep. He will be back with a vengeance, I guarantee you. And like that, we're back. What a day. Ups and downs. Car ran really well. For me, it was really good. Ran a PB. Got a 13.2, which at Smeatharpe is awesome. I run about second and a half, 2.4 faster at pod, so that'll be interesting to see. New carb setup's definitely made a difference, which is a positive. Got to have a YouTube grudge match with Spanos Antics. Go and give the guy a follow. Awesome dude. The Volvo he's built's awesome. Unfortunately, I won all 4, so rematch when he gets his supercharger on. Big disappointment about John. He's still en route home. I think they've gone to A&E. We're just waiting for an update to see what damage he's done. But the paramedics on site think it may have been a dislocated shoulder. He definitely felt a big pop and something went as he was shifting into third. But big kudos to a man who manages to dislocate his shoulder shifting that hard. So big win to him. Go and give him a follow. Marty the Mini on Instagram. The mini build is unbelievable. K20 Mini with a turbo. Yeah, it also does mean, John, and I think this is the hard bit to swallow, we've got to do it again because we went 2 each. We both won 2 each, so it's undecided. The the Mini V's forward hot rod grudge match is not settled, so we've got to go again. So get your shoulder fixed and we're back out again. Not at Santa Pod though, because you will beat me. Anyway, all in all, good day. Met some great people, great weather. I think it's now time for a drink.